Hey guys, what's up? This is a quick video on how to properly install your toilet paper in your bathroom. And I'm going to show you very quickly that if this is the way that you have your toilet paper in your bathroom and you have any types of pets or children, this is completely wrong, no matter how you think it looks. And here's why. So as you can see from that quick demonstration, if you have children and or pets in your house and store your toilet paper on the roll with the flap coming over the top, you're inevitably going to have a big mess to clean up.